Welcome students. Today I would like to tell you about the principle of ledger. So what is the principle of ledger? There are two energy states. One is ground state and another is excited states. So ground state is known as E0 and excited state is known as E2. But there is intermediate states known as metastable states is known as E1. So the process of achieving the number of atoms more in the metastable states than the ground state. So this is the most important requirement for the principle of ledger action. Then the stimulated emissions will take place. That's why this is the principle of ledger action. So what is the principle of ledger action? The process of achieving the large number of atoms in the metastable states than the ground states, then there will be only stimulated emissions will take place and ledger action will be performed. So to perform the ledger action, there are the step-by-step process. There are only 4 steps to perform the ledger action. So what about the step 1? In step 1, this is the ground states and this is excited states. So number of atoms are pumped to the excited states by the process of optical pumping when the photon of energy h nu dash is incident. So this is the first steps where nu dash is the frequency of incident radiation, h is the Planck's constant, and this energy is equal to E2 minus E1, E0, right? So E2 means energy of the excited states and E0 is the energy of ground states. So E2 minus E0 equal to h nu dash. This is the formula of first step. And what about the second step? Second steps is involved that there is a intermediate steps known as the metastable states. So the spontaneous emissions will take place by emitting a number of photons of frequency nu double dash. So energy is emitted is equal to h nu double dash, which is equal to E2 minus E1, right? E1 is the energy of metastable states and E2 is the energy of excited state, and nu double dash is the frequency of the incident radiation photon. So step 3. In the step 3, this is the step 3. In steps 3, there are large number of atoms are present in the metastable states, or metastable states are occupied in this way a large number of atoms. And at the last step, this is the fourth step, step 4. So in this step, the electrons are jumped from the metastable states to the ground states by emitting a laser action. When the photon of energy h nu is incident to the another photon, then the laser action will be take place. So in this way the laser action perform. तो इसको हम लोग ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं याद रखने के लिए कि जैसे मान लीजिए आप शादी में गए, तो शादी में गए तो घर से निकले हो, डायरेक्ट आप जहाँ पर समारोह स्थल है वहाँ पर पहुँच गए, ठीक है, एक्साइटेड स्टेट में। अब जहाँ पर गेट है वहाँ पर पहुँच गए। गेट पे पहुँचने के बाद अब वहीं गेट से तो एकदम वहीं पर तो भोजन नहीं रहता है, अंदर गेट के अंदर जाओगे, जाने के बाद जहाँ पर सारे बूफे लगे हुए हैं, जहाँ पर भोजन लगे हुए हैं, उसको हम लोग मेटास्टेबल स्टेट्स कहते हैं। वहाँ भी जाओगे गेट के अंदर से, फिर तुम जहाँ पर भोजन रखा हो वहाँ तक पहुँचोगे, डैट इज़ मेटास्टेबल स्टेट्स, ठीक है। अब वहाँ पर आपने भोजन कर लिया, भोजन करने के बाद अब लास्ट में क्या होगा, ये तीसरा स्टेप था भोजन करने का, उसका भोजन जब कर लिया तो सीधा कहाँ आओगे, घर आओगे, तो वहाँ से सीधा आप घर की ओर आ रहे हैं। तो ये इस तरह से याद रख सकते हो आप, 4 स्टेप में लेजर एक्शन परफॉर्म होता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।